Hi, it's Patrick Cranston of Cranston IT with your Bionic Business Vlog. It's my passion to help you use technology to make your business faster, stronger, better. Today we're talking about understanding email encryption. I'm going to go over what email encryption is, why you would need email encryption, and how it works. So first of all, what is email encryption? Email encryption is the process of making sure an email that is sent from your mail server is fully secured between the time it leaves your mail server until it's received by your recipient's mail server. And why would you need this? Primarily, it's to make sure the message is delivered securely and not read by anyone else in transit, and also for compliance reasons, primarily HIPAA or Sarbanes-Oxley or other type of regulations that where you might be sending sensitive information over email. You now need to make sure that that email is being delivered securely. So how does email encryption work? Well, this is typically use a third-party service that when you send email from your mail server, it is delivered to the third-party service, and that's an encrypted process that happens. So you deliver it securely to the third-party mail server. That third-party mail server then tries to deliver the message to the recipient. And the server, if it is able to talk in an encrypted manner with the recipient, it goes ahead and delivers that message. If it's not able to talk securely to the recipient's mail server, it stores that message on its server, and instead it sends a notice via email to the recipient to say, hey, you have a new email from this sender. That recipient is then given a web link, and they click on that web link that takes them to a secure website where they then have to create an account and they can log in. And when they log into that website, they see what looks like a webmail portal, and they can view your message, and they can even respond to your message out of that web portal. That message is then sent back to you. And if you respond back to them, they get another notification telling them to check this webmail portal, this secure portal for them to go in and check the email. And also, very importantly for compliance reasons, all these transactions are logged. So every email that goes out of your web server is logged as whether it was able to be delivered via secure email or if the recipient logged in and checked it through the secure portal. This is very important in case there's ever any kind of data breach or concern about a data breach. You're able to show with logs from a compliance standpoint that message was delivered securely to the end user, either via encrypted method all the way to their server or by them logging into a secure server. And so from a compliance standpoint, that protects you, and you can say that while you were in control of the email message, it was secure. What the client does with that, or what the recipient does with that email message after they get it, that's on them. But this allows you to make sure that those messages are being delivered securely. And we've talked a lot about email security, and if you are transporting sensitive information over email, and that's the only way you can send that information, you definitely want to be using some kind of email encryption service. Now, a best practice would not be to use email at all for this, but in cases where you have to use email, this is the best way to do it. Now, a third-party encryption service typically is not included with your standard email hosting, so you will have to purchase a service. There are a couple of email services out there, or encryption services out there that do this. Zix is one. Another one that we actually use, and I like a little better than Zix, and actually seems to have some better pricing, is one called Smarsh Encryption. But there are plenty of other encryption services out there that you can look into, and they're becoming more prevalent as more and more companies are having this need to encrypt their email. As always, if you feel like you need email encryption either just for security or for compliance sake, I would recommend reaching out to an IT professional that works with email encryption. They can guide you through the process and help you get the setup all right. It does require making changes to your email server and then configuring the settings the proper way so that those emails are delivered securely. So I would enlist the help of an IT professional that can help you with that. If you found this information helpful, please like or share this post. If you have any feedback or business IT question that you would like answered, please post a comment or send an email to ask@cranstonit.com, and I'll try to answer it in a future video.